Top features of Microsoft Teams. Welcome to M365 Professional. Microsoft Teams is the all-in-one collaboration app that allows you to connect online with coworkers and other people. Three important features of Teams are the ability to chat, hold meetings, and share files with others. Let's take a look at each. If you want to chat with one or more people, go to the Chat tab. Start a new chat, and search for the people you want to chat with. Then type out your message. You can add formatting, emojis, attach files, then send it. You and your recipients will then be able to respond back and forth in a conversation that only you and the other participants can see, making sure that everyone is on the same page and fully informed. And if you need to have a live conversation, start a call right from your chat. Another important feature of Teams is the ability to host and attend meetings. From the Calendar tab, you can quickly create meetings complete with required attendees. Frequency, details, and many more available options to suit your needs. Once everything is set, send the invite to your attendees. When the time arrives, everyone can join the meeting with the options they prefer, and they can do this whether they have a Microsoft 365 subscription or not. Once started, you can add a chat box, reactions, screen sharing, and many more tools to enhance your meeting. Finally, sharing files and folders is a key feature of Teams as it allows you and others to collaborate from anywhere on any device. Adding files is as simple as dragging them into a team, or you can create them from scratch. Once a document is open, you and the other members of the channel can make changes in real time, ensuring everyone is working on the same version of the document. Use these and other features in Microsoft Teams to easily communicate and collaborate with others at work. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.